Hello everyone! Happy Monday! Ayan, back to work ulit tayo. So, deli ako pero help natin sila sa breakfast. Mag-prepare kasi dalawa lang sila. Wala pa yung isa. Madulas yarn. So, daily breakfast pala tayo today. Pag gano'n ang schedule ko, nag-open ako ng buffet. Pagdating ko, tapos mag-deli ako mamaya. Tapos tutulong tayo sa service ng buffet. Breakfast buffet. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yung tawag namin is pastry platter. Danish platter. Wow, chef! Kasi gumagawa naman ako ng sandwich. Bali, 4. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos na ang ating isang order. Hello everyone! Ayan, bahay na tayo. Grabe, sobrang init na naman. Hindi ko na ginamit yung payong ko. I don't know. Natatayin na ako, B. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ayan, dumating si Daddy Marky. We're gonna go walking again. We said to ourselves, kailangan na namin gawin ang maging fit kasi hindi na kami bumabata. Kahit pagod ako sa work, let's go. Ayan, CR lang ako saglit. Kasi sabi namin kahapon, let's try to do it every day after work. Kahit gaano man kahirap yung, kapagod ang katawan or ano. It's Daddy. That's my handsome husband. Ayun na. Kilig mo ka na. Kilig yan.
What are you doing?
Walking with my hubby.
Why?
Because we said to ourselves yesterday that we're gonna walk every day. So yesterday is Sunday and today is Monday. So we work so hard and then after that we need to walk, I do a lot of walking at work. I walk a lot. Do the voice over maybe.
Ladies and gentlemen, on this beautiful Monday afternoon, we're going for a magical walk. Now I'm trying to get her footsteps up. She says she exercises at work. We're trying to get her heartbeat more stronger than it actually is. Oh, sorry. Ay. And we're making Emmeline into a runner. Into a fit, beautiful woman. Okay.
Ayan, ang ruta namin ni Daddy ay papuntang Mumbai sa may highway. Pero sa kabila kami dumaan. So kahapon dun lang kami sa amin. Hello! Big dog ko. Hello! Ganap siya sa may butas. That's Daddy Marky. And that's Mommy. So, ayan, kasalukuyan tayong naglalakad dito sa may Mumbai. So, time check, it's already 5:10.
5:10?
Yeah, we started like 4:30-ish.
Should we walk back then?
You reckon?
Okay.
We're gonna go back!
We can walk to Mumbai.
No. Yan na yung highway. Is there any, what you call that?
Yabbies?
No, baby. What's that again?
Fish?
No, the one we're looking for in the Koala Park before.
Koalas?
At the guard koala dito yung titanom niya Manila kayon. The one swimming.
Alligators?
No.
Eels?
No.
Piranha? Crocodiles?
When we went to Lone Pine, I already went outside and then that thing showed up.
Lizard?
Maybe hindi. Sa water, in the water lang, in the aquarium.
Oh, the water lizard.
Okay, sabay.
Snake?
No, remember when we went to the walk as well and then we wanna see that thing? Naganda daytan, lakay.
Rhinoceros?
Okay, sabam lakay.
Elephant?
No!
Giraffe?
Kapag lang, oy.
Emu?
No. Lab naman eh.
Tasmanian devil?
Pinindamon, dagi animal dyan di Kuala Lone Park.
A cockatoo?
No. Kanwanan. Tignan nyo naman yan, no? Parang ako kay Daddy Mark. Nakayakap.
Give the other tree a hug.
Hey! Alam na namin kung ano yun yung sinasabi ko, platypus. Crazy. May nakita kaming bayabas dito sa daan. Ooh. Oy, did you hit your... What happened? Wanna try?
No.
Try it.
Why?
It's yummy. The piranha. Ha! It's overripe. Yung piranha nila kayo. If it's ripe, it's good. But maybe it's overripe and then there's worm inside.
No.
There it is.
You're not pick them?
No. Try this.
I think it's not hot.
You don't like it? Thank you. No, what can you say about the guava?
Feels like it's gonna be more ripe.
Yeah. I like it like this. Tagal kong hindi naglakad dito o may bago ng ano. Papatayuan to ng bahay. Driveway siguro nila yan. Tapos yan na yung highway. Pakita ko sa inyo yung flower na gusto ko. Ang ganda. Oh. Yun yung gusto kong bilhin sa market. Ganda, love. Wanna have one. 5:51 and we are home. Hi! Binalat lang na ni Amanda yung pineapple na maliit. Yung hinarvest natin last time. Siya ganun ka-sweet, no?
Okay na rin.
And nag-nap tayo after exercise. Oh my gosh, alas 8 na.
Hindi siya masakit sa lalamunan.
Ginising ako ni Mark. Sabi niya, Marco, you need to wake up. I feel so pagod. So, yung asawa ng kawork ni Marky, nagbibigay sa amin ng passion fruit butter. Sarap niya. Sarap. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Ayan, nandito na kami sa work. Marco, good morning, love.
Magandang umaga.
Don't forget your break, please.
Kumusta?
Kahapon kasi inano niya doon. Okay, bye-bye. I love you.
Mwah. Mwah.
Thank you, love. Marco.
Day.
You too. Have a beautiful day, baby. Be safe, please. 5 minutes before the time. Bye-bye. Nagsakit. Bye, I love you. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Takbo tayo. Tapos, ang ganap, tatawagan natin siya. Ayan, nag-set up tayo dito sa buffet. Di ba kahapon nag-extend ako? Ako gumawa yan. Ganda, no? So, ayan, 6:33 and deliver tayo sa Delhi. Tapos tatawag si Marky mamaya before siya pasok. Mag-pee break tayo and motor break after that. Ayan. Last delivery natin. Hindi masyadong busy, kaya konti lang ginagawa natin. Ito ng ating sandwich and wrap. Si Amanda nagluluto ng food niya. Tapos yung egg niya dapat hindi siya scrambled. Sabi ko sa kanya, akin na lang yan. Tapos nilagyan na ng ketchup. May papuso si Mayor. No walking with Daddy Marky today. 4:30 na siya nakauwi. So walang walking. And si Amanda lumabas. Sinundo namin siya kanina. So,
Si Amanda lumabas. Can you believe that?
nakakaya na niyang lumabas, guys. Bebe! Nandito ako sa egg section. Ayan si Bebe Sandra. Hi! Ang ganda ng mukha ko dito, ha? Hi, everyone! Happy! No, ngayon, Wednesday. Bye na tayo. Grabe, ang init na naman. Di na ako nagvo-vlog sa morning. Or hindi ako nag-i-intro sa loob ng sasakyan kasi pag umaalis kami ng bahay, sobrang dilim sa loob ng car. Kaya nag-video lang ako kanina sa my hotel. Breakfast shift tayo kanina. Breakfast buffet. Grabe, sobrang pawis. Hi! Si Amanda gumagawa ng nails niya. Sobrang init, bakit to? Ah! Hello, baby! Hello! Hello! Sarap nyo sanang hawakan eh. Oh, really? Hi, Ellie! 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 Hello, hello, baby! Hello, hello, baby! Hello! Hello, baby! Hello! Songit! Hello, Sushi! Hi! Hi, Sushi! Where's Mizo? Hi! So, ayan. Si Amanda nagluto siya ng tinola kanina. Spicy tinola! Yung ginagawa namin, karabi chicken. Yan yung niluto niya. Tapos, prito tayo ng tofu. Nagluto na rin ako ng fish cake ni Daddy Marky. Thai fish cake. Ito na yung Thai fish cake ni Daddy. Sarap nun to. Nabibili to sa Asian shop. Sarap na papakit. While kausap ni Daddy Marky yung friend niya na nasa Melbourne. Kaya nabubulol ako. While kausap ni Daddy Marky yung friend niya na nasa Melbourne na siya ang susundo sa amin sa Sunday. Kasi magme-Melbourne kami sa Sunday. Ayan. Hanguin natin itong aking niluluto. As usual, prito. And meron din tayong odeng. ating ode, yung ating tofu and fish cake, and then yung tinola ni Amanda na manghang. Chicken lang talaga. Well, pinapat siya ni daddy niya. Show me your tongue, Sushi. Sushi. Dito naman si Misa sa kabila. Ay, nako. Mga spoiled kay daddy nila.
Quick. It's more out now.
Daddy's watching cricket. I gotcha! Look at you! And look at you! It's dark, yeah. Happy Thursday, everyone. Bilis ng araw. Thursday na. Time check, it's 4:52. And umaambon. It's drizzling. 4:53. Sundo tayo ni Daddy Mark. 10:11. Natapos tayo ng 10 o'clock and then Daddy will go to his appointment. Ay, nagtutugma talaga ang oras natin, Mr.
My wife stresses me out.
Tell them.
Look at me. I'm sweating, dirty, disgusting. And because I love my wife so much, and she rings me and says, "When are you going to the bank?" I said, "Well, now." And she said, "Well, can you pick me up?" And it's 50 minutes out of my time, but because of my love for her, I do it. My wife says, "Jump, Mark." And I say, "How high?" Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, mahal ko. Thank you, love.
The things I do for you.
I love you. You know that.
Okay. There was a ship.
I just delete some photos in here so that I can take a video.
So there was a ship.
There was a ship with a sheep that they put in the ship.
No, the sheep went on the ship.
Went on the ship.
And the ship
And the ship
had sheets
had sheets.
to put the sheep on.
Put the sheep on.
So that sheep
Oh my god.
could shit in the ship.
So that the sheep could shit on the ship. That's a lot of shit and shit. Okay, bye! Ay, ay, ay. Hello everyone! We're home. Nagtitimpla ako ng green juice. Lagyan ko ng honey and lemon. Ah, may lemon na siya. Lagyan natin ng honey. Lagyan natin ng ice. Ah! Nagkikrave ako ng masarap na inumin.